Forest and Nature Tram is like a covered trolley. It takes you through the second growth forest and then along the coast. It's an hour and a half long. They've seen, at the very end, there's a live eagle's nest. They've seen sea life and wildlife. You get to learn about nature and culture. The Tribal Dance and Cultural Legends is an hour long. It features a new story this year, which is the strongman story. In the show, they would learn several different things of our culture, the introductions, how to introduce yourself, the different clans and tribes that we have, the regalia. Passing out the postcards at the beginning has a clan on it, and everybody gets to be that clan for the day or for the show. When we do the song and introduce a certain clan, if you have that on your card, then you stand up and dance with everybody. And then at the end they invite everybody to come down to the stage and dance, and we have regalia set aside for that. You get to experience what we are, our culture here in the Tlingit culture.